I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com on Thursday, October 17th, and I want to look at SolarCity. Now, this is a stock that we've been really pretty much booking really good gains on for a while in Option Market Mentor as well. But look, I'm looking at this stock and a couple things I just wanted to point out to you. First of all, the company announces earnings in early November, on November 6th. This is a stock that, you know, it's a company that's run by Elon Musk, Mr. Tesla. So that's a good thing. The market likes it. Whatever the company says, whatever the report is during earnings, when they announce earnings, I'll tell you this, it's going to move the stock and it's going to move it a lot. It's going to move it a lot. But between now and then, here's my suspicion of what happens. I think the stock, and I'll show you the intraday chart in a second, it seems to me like this is an intraday reversal, probably going to lead to a little backing and filling. There's no particular consolidation or I should say catalyst for this stock coming down. Not today, right? I forgot where I was. I was interrupted. But here's the point that I wanted to make. There's no real catalyst for the stock to move higher between here and earnings. But there is kind of a catalyst for maybe the stock to move lower. And this is the deal. The company is issuing a secondary. They got a secondary stock offering of like 3.4 million shares at a price of $46.54. Okay, and that's down here. Now that sale is completed on the 21st. That's going to be completed next week. In fact, next Monday. So the point is, if you've got all of these shares hitting the market, hitting the investors' accounts, and the price is $46.50, how much you want to bet that some of those guys are going to decide to take some of this profit? So I think that you're likely to get SolarCity at a lower level over the next several days. So just know, I can't predict this stuff. Sometimes secondary offerings occur and the stock just keeps going higher. But here, with the kind of move the company's had, I would suggest that you want to at least look at this. Probably going to see some liquidity, some additional liquidity in the market on Tuesday, and that'll push the stock lower. I look at this and I look intraday, and you can see what happened. First thing in the morning, the stock ran up, started trickling sideways, and then drifted lower. And you might say, well, maybe that's market related. No, this is what the S&P 500 looked like. It just kept going. We'll look at the Qs. Just kept going. Again, SolarCity, no, gapped up and didn't participate. So this is a stock that, in my view, is probably at a short-term peak. You're going to want to be lightening up on your position. Okay, listen, if you have not tried Stock Market Mentor, I'm going to pound the table again. I don't do it often, probably not as often as I could, but I'm just going to tell you, I want you to get in there and take a 30-day free trial. I see a lot of new members in there, and they're posting, they're asking questions, they are requesting coverage for stocks, and that's one of the things that we're doing. So if you want some more personal attention to your trading, hey, this is a risk-free trade. Sign up. If you don't like it, you cancel, and I won't know about it because I don't know who cancels and who doesn't. So in other words, I don't take it personally. You won't offend me, but you might find out that you're trading much better if you do that. So I want you to get over there and do that now, okay? I am watching you.